Hello, my name is Benjamin Connis, and I'm a woodworking student here at the field school. This is our classroom. Here, each student has their personal box labeled with their name. In it, we store our aprons to keep our uniforms clean and the projects that we're working on when we're not in class. We have safety glasses to protect our eyes and hearing protection for when the loud tools are on. Over here, we have all the tools that we use in woodworking, and over here is our workspace. Our first tool here is the scroll saw. It works well for small and detailed cuts. Over here is where we store all the tools Milwaukee donated to us. This is our table saw. Then over here is our compound sliding miter saw. We have a combination belt and disc sander. We have the largest bandsaw we have here. It can cut pieces of wood up to 6 inches thick. Over here, we have our drill press. Once we're done for the day, we have to clean up to make sure everything is tidy and safe. This here is the project I'm currently working on. It will be a cutting board once it's done. Other projects I've made in woodworking over the years include a combination chess and checkers set, a birdhouse, and some marble tracks for the pre-K. Every year, the woodworking class does a fundraiser for the school. Last year, we made birdhouses. This year, we made Christmas tree toppers. Woodworking fits really well into the school because we make the sets for the Shakespeare plays, the fundraisers we do every year help the school, and we made the marble rollers for the pre-K, which they all enjoy. What I like about woodworking here at the field school is it gives you a chance to leave the normal classroom dynamic and work with your hands.